Welcome back everyone. Double digits now, episode 10 is here and let's learn the important use of scale, stretch and offset. If suppose you want to enlarge any object or any picture, the tool named scale will be used for it. Click on the object and then scale done. This is the plan received by the builder which we have already set in feet or inches. Let's see how we did this. You can see that the dimensions got enlarged because we pasted it in different feet inches file. You can see that the dimension of the plan is accurate and smaller than the enlarged plan. Now take the whole plan and scale the enlarged plan and reduce it to the dimension you want your final plan to be. Your enlarged plan is now set in perfect measurement. Now let's learn the use of stretch tool. Let's first take the dimension of bed suppose. See the dimension is 5 feet 3 inches by 6 feet 10 inches, but we want our bed size to be 6 feet by 6 feet 3 inches. So long press the left click of the mouse and take only the portion of the part you want to stretch. Now drag the part and make it to the dimension you want your object to be. We wanted to add one more feet to our dimension, so we take 1 feet and enter. Since the written measurement is written wrong, so double-click and type the exact measurement you want to show. Now let's draw a box and show you the use of offset tool. Now as the box is drawn, go to offset. Firstly, take the source or the starting object and create a geometric object that is parallel or concentric at a specified distance as shown in the video, and offset is done. Hope you understood the use of all the three tools.